दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे शो में द वेंकटेश शो। सर, आप एनर्जेटिक बहुत हो, उसका राज क्या है और हाउ डू यू डील एट द सेम टाइम विद द फेलियर्स?
So energy comes from, my father was an English teacher.
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
Okay, so he used to say कि जब आप सुबह उठो
हाँ हाँ।
तो आप हमेशा अच्छी चीजों के बारे में सोचो, यानी पॉजिटिव सोचो।
ओके।
So if you think one positive thing throughout the day, you everything will fall in place. You will be thinking positive.
That's true.
But if you think one negative, then what happens? Throughout the day you will be thinking कि ये नहीं हो पाएगा।
Okay.
तो आप जब उठो तो आपकी दिनचर्या ऐसी बना लो कि आप मतलब एक सकारात्मक व्यू आप हमेशा सोचो।
करेक्ट।
पॉजिटिव अगर आप सोचोगे तो पूरा दिन भर आपको पॉजिटिव फीलिंग्स ही आएंगी।
करेक्ट।
अगर आप नेगेटिव सोच के साथ उठोगे तो पूरे दिन भर नेगेटिव फीलिंग आएंगे। सो दिस इज one thing which I follow.
This is the mantra behind your energy.
This is one. And energy also comes from being fit, thinking about your health, because health is, I feel, the most important aspect in your life. If you are healthy, then money, everything will come to you.
Correct.
Because if you are not healthy,
what is the matter of that money? What is the matter of
because
wealth?
Today I'm 61, but I think I'm quite fit.
That's true. You don't look 61.
Yes.
Yes. At the same time, sir, how do you deal with the failures? ये मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स 25, 27, 28, इवन 30 एज के कोई अगर फेलियर आता है उनके लाइफ में तो दे गो फॉर ड्रग्स एंड शॉर्टकट्स एंड अल्कोहल एंड स्मोकिंग विच इज़ नॉट द राइट वे। सो मैं ये जानने की कोशिश आपसे कर रहा हूँ कि हाउ टू डील विद दी फेलियर्स और उसको कैसे एज अ पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट से देखे और उससे कैसे आप बाहर आए एज अ विद द फुल एनर्जी।
सो वन थिंग इन लाइफ वेंकटेश, इट्स वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट कि जो चीज one thing which is going up is going to come down also, and one thing which is down is going to come up also in life. So life is not going to be a straight line. So you have to think that whatever is gone is bygone.
Correct.
You don't need to analyze everything. So what is happening is we analyze failure so much that we are not looking for the future.
Correct.
So analysis थोड़ा करना जरूरी है,
उसमें ज्यादा घुसो मत,
उसमें ये मत सोचो कि अरे ये सब गलत हुआ, ये सब ये सोचो कि कैसे मैं अच्छा कर सकता हूँ अगले this thing. So look at all positives, look at your strengths.
Correct.
And work on your strengths.
Correct.
The negatives you leave it behind.
Correct.
So मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि आप देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्रिकेट को ही ले लो, सो प्रीवियसली एवरी टाइम वी यूज्ड टू फेस पाकिस्तान in during Imran Khan or that time, we used to lose always. But that has not deterred us from this thing. So we have worked at the grassroots levels.
Correct.
We have worked at our strengths.
Correct.
We have worked at our programs.
Correct.
Like Ranji Trophy.
Correct.
Like Dilip Trophy.
Correct.
Like grooming youngsters from the beginning. Same thing applies to other industries as well. So you work on your strengths. If your scientific communication is your strength, work on that.
Okay.
Okay. If competitive differentiation is your strength, work on that.
Okay.
So wherever you are strong, work on those things. Wherever you are weak, I'm not saying neglect that, but don't think that it is going to be a hindrance for you.
Okay.
And you have to take the people along you. People ka point of view,
Okay.
aapka point of view.
Okay.
So those discussion points will help ki how we can do better.
Okay.
So if failure is something like, supposing we have done 70%, for example, to target. I'm just giving an example. From a number point of view, it is a failure. But in that 70%, who have contributed for that 70%, that is also important. So can we grow those customers to 100%?
Correct. Yeah.
So we have to look at those aspects as well.